Welcome to Debnath English TV. Are you trying to improve your English speaking skills? In today's video, we'll learn 50 essential daily action verbs with easy meanings and real-life examples, perfect for learners of all ages. So don't skip, stay with us till the end. And if you find this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Debnath English TV, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's get started.
Wake up. This is what you do when you stop sleeping and become alert in the morning. Example, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Brush. This is what you do to clean your teeth using a toothbrush. Example, don't forget to brush your teeth after breakfast. Wash. Used when you clean your hands, face, or other things with water. Example, he went to wash his face before leaving. Take a shower. It means to clean your body under running water. Example, I take a quick shower every morning. Get dressed. You use this when you put on your clothes. Example, she got dressed for school quickly. Eat. We say this when we have food. Example, they eat lunch at noon every day.
Drink. It refers to taking liquids like water or juice. Example, he drinks a glass of milk every night. Go. This is what we say when someone moves from one place to another. Example, I go to school by bus. Read. We use this when we look at and understand written words. Example, he reads a book before bed. Write. It means to form letters or words on paper. Example, she writes in her diary every night. Cook. This verb is used when someone prepares food. Example, my mom cooks delicious meals. Clean. When you remove dirt or mess from something. Example, I clean my room every Saturday. Comb. We use this when someone makes their hair neat. Example, he combs his hair before school. Sleep. This is the action we do at night to rest our body. Example, they sleep at 10 p.m. every day. Sit down. Used when someone lowers themselves onto a seat. Example, please sit down and relax. Stand up. It means to rise from a sitting position. Example, the teacher asked everyone to stand up. Open. You use this when you move something to make it not closed. Example, he opened the door for his friend. Close. It means to shut something. Example, please close the window. Run. We use this when someone moves very fast on their feet. Example, the children run in the playground. Jump. This verb is used when someone pushes themselves off the ground. Example, she can jump very high. Walk. It means to move at a slow, steady pace using your legs. Example, they walk to school every morning. Dance. Used when someone moves their body rhythmically to music. Example, the kids love to dance at parties. Sing. This is when someone makes music using their voice. Example, she sings beautifully. Draw. When someone makes pictures with a pencil or pen. He draws animals in his notebook. Paint. This means to create colorful art using a brush. Example, she loves to paint with watercolors. Laugh. We say this when someone expresses happiness by smiling and making sounds. Example, they laugh at funny jokes. Cry. It means to shed tears when you're sad. Example, the baby cries when he's hungry. Hug. This is what we do when we hold someone tightly to show love. Example, she gave her mom a big hug. Kiss. It means to touch someone gently with your lips. Example, he kissed the baby on the forehead. Smile. We use this when someone shows happiness on their face. Example, she smiled when she saw her gift. Yawn. This is what you do when you're sleepy or bored. Example, he yawned during the long meeting. Listen. It means to pay attention to sounds or someone speaking. Example, please listen carefully to the instructions. Speak. We use this when someone uses their voice to say something. Example, he speaks clearly and confidently. Shout. It refers to speaking very loudly. Example, don't shout in the library. Whisper. Used when someone talks in a very soft voice. They whispered during the movie. Watch. This verb is used when someone looks at something for some time. Example, we watch cartoons every evening. Look. It means to turn your eyes towards something. Look at the sky. It's so blue. Seen. Used when you notice something with your eyes. Example, I see birds outside the window. Buy. It means to get something by paying money. Example, she buys toys from the store. Sell. Used when someone gives something for money. Example, he sells fruits at the market. Help. We say this when we do something to make it easier for someone. Example, she helps her brother with homework. Carry. This verb is used when someone holds something and moves with it. Example, he carries his backpack to school. Throw. It means to send something through the air using your hand. Don't throw stones. Catch. Used when someone takes something that is moving. Can you catch the ball? The push. This is when someone moves something away from themselves. Example, push the door to open it. Pull. It means to bring something closer. She pulled the chair to the table. Climb. Used when someone goes up something, like stairs or a tree. The boy climbed the ladder. Kick. It means to hit something with your foot. Example, he kicked the ball into the goal. Bake. Used when someone cooks something in an oven. Example, she baked a cake for her birthday. This verb is used when someone travels on a bike, horse, or vehicle. Example, I ride my bicycle every evening.
Thanks for watching with Debnath English TV. Now it's your turn. Which action verb did you find the most useful today? Drop your answer in the comments. We're excited to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning videos. See you in the next one.